Hello guys. I know there's been no video long time, like about 2 years, but from today it's gonna be a gaming channel, and sometimes maybe we can do others. So please subscribe the channel. From today I'm gonna start. It's a gaming channel from today. So the first video is going to about be classic Minecraft. It's for free when you can do it. Enter username, and guys, please don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, let me put SIKEWORRIOR. Okay, Psych Warrior. Okay, actually I have made a world, and wait, I'll show you. Oh, sorry, I forgot that WASD works in here. There's my world. He spawned randomly. Alright. Did I? Did I have to build a new world now? No way, bro. No way. Wait, let's not give up. Let's search for some time. Let's search. Let's search. Okay, there's a whole new area. I have never been here. So, shit, bro. Why? Okay, I guess I need to build a new hole. Wait. Is this an entrance? Why is the controls working? Oh yeah. No entrance. Okay, I think we should make it underground, guys. I think we should make it underground. So, yeah, let's make it underground. I think that's better. So, in entrance, let it be like one tall kind of. One second, guys. Yeah, let's make a huge one. So, okay, 3. Most of you guys may know this trick. Like, damn, doesn't it work? Damn, damn, it should have worked, dude. That would be so good. No. Come on, why don't? Come on. Yep. Now I jump on this. Guys, I'm new to Minecraft, so please, I'm gonna be pro soon. I'm gonna be a pro. Just wait and watch the whole series. Watch the whole series, okay? And don't be like you had a like my mom had a channel, but she gave it to me now. So yeah, it's my channel. So I think I'll block this areas. I'll just have one. I mean, just 2. Nah, I'll just make this. What happened? Yeah, I'll place it over here. Nah. Okay, yeah. And now I'm gonna go underground. Yeah, until I found a cave or it's too deep down. Come on, dude, it was so instant. I'm not even too done yet. Let's go. You know what? Why are so many caves? Guys, why the bedrock so near? I hate this. Reset. Um, did I forget the path? Nah, I think I went this way, right? Yeah, this way. Yeah. Yeah, this way. Yeah, I remember this way. It was this way. Was it? I didn't came here. I didn't came here. I lost. No. Don't say I got lost. Oh yeah, no. I didn't. Jam, what's up with you? Guys, so this is no. Oh, lucky. Okay, let's close this. And here. It's too dangerous. Okay guys, let's start to make a room over here. So we enter over here. We need like at least 5 space gaps over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, good amount of space. Let's crack this and this. No need to crack that. No. Yeah. Oh my god. It's like coming to my head, dude. We do the outside. You know what? Let's do it later. Not now. Let's do all this. Okay, yeah. Now break this whole part, I guess. Okay. That's more like it. Oh, actually, gotta break all this also, right? Wait a second. Wait, I think I know where's my house. My old house. It used to be at the back, right? I actually did the old house pretty good, dude. Yeah, let's go. Found. Whee! Okay. Looking good for now. Really looking good. Okay, let's take all of this out. Okay, I think let that be. That looks good. I think this should be the staircase. I guess. Nah, don't like that idea. I'm not a big fan. What? How? Yeah. Is this like the correct? Yeah. Wait, no, it isn't. Wait. Oh my god. It's literally unnoticeable, dude. Okay. Speed run. Okay. Okay, let's go. I think I'll make this a plant section. We are all good. Maybe like yeah, this is good. Like a plant aisle. Nah, bro. I wanna put plants in the middle, you know. Huh? Nothing, guys. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, let's take this out. Let that be. Okay, here, and here. The third will place here, 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 and here. Let's make it even there like that. Let's do the plants first. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, now guys, like it's too hard while I'm having this exam time, so please subscribe for my hard work getting permission from my mom. Please subscribe. Yo, and comment down like what theme should I make for my bedroom or kitchen or whatever. Okay, I think we're all set up. Yeah, forgot one thing. If you go blocks, you can change colors. So I'm thinking of what shall I take? Probably white. White is good. Let's take white. Before taking white, I take out one layer. A whole one layer. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, and this final one. Gotta make it faster. Let me speed run this. Okay, now the time has come. We are using this. Like the floor is really good, right? Like almost all the people have like white tiles, something like that. Oh yeah, I can do this. Yeah, I can do that later. Wait, I can't do that. I can. Do. Okay. Okay, you can get over there. Okay. Guys, welcome. Okay, guys. This is how the entrance. It's pretty nice, right? Like you enter a house, you see wooden and leaves and all. Wait, okay. I think in forward we should make like gray. This block gravel doesn't look very nice. So I need to choose first, which is the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9. Then it's like a 5 in the middle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the middle. So we'll make like an entrance like this, you know. Oh shit, this wasn't my plan. Yeah, there I come. See now, like you enter, it's like a mansion entrance. And you go back, you see again, right? Pretty good, right? Comment down below, suggest me some good opinions about making things. Okay, let's end this for today. Thank you guys, bye.